Dear Diary, don't you just hate when you want to throw on a pair of heels with your favorite outfit, but feel so uncomfortable and maybe even a little embarrassed because no matter what you try to solve the problem, either one or both of your feet slides to the front and your big toe is always hanging over, scraping the concrete. Ugh, that is so not a cute look and is unattractive. So I searched for what could be another way I can get my feet to stay in place while wearing my favorite pumps. You would not believe what I found. So I'm trying out these heels because I have an event coming up and I want to wear these heels. And in these shoes, my feet slide to the front and my big toe is scraping the concrete of the floor. So this is just a little preview before I apply what I found to be a lifesaver. And there it is, Trust Me holding hairspray. Oh, sorry, you guys, that's Biscuit Little Butt in a way. Oh my God, this floor is so cold. So what I'm going to show you next is I'm going to place my shoe down. You can either decide to do both your feet or just the shoe. Here, I just decided to do the shoe. And a little goes a long way. You don't want to spray too much because then it will take a longer time to dry. I just gave it about a few seconds during this video, but I think I'm going to give it a minute or two to let it dry and then place my feet in. But on the video, I just did like a few seconds and just fan it. You guys, no lie, this stuff actually works. You can't feel the stickiness, but you know it's holding it in place. It's like kind of like when you're wearing non-slip shoes, but on your bare feet, and it's comfortable. You can dance around, move around. Hey, hey, there we go. There we go, a little leg work. All right, all right. I don't know how long exactly this is gonna last, so that's why I bought the travel size kit just to carry with me to whatever event I go to. That way, if I need to reapply, I can reapply. But you guys, this experience, works. So yeah, I think we have a winner.
Keep you in my heart, and my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photos.
So guys, and the end result, did it work for me? Heck yeah. What did it feel like? It's almost like a door stopper. You know how the door stopper stops the door from closing? Where this is what it feels like on your feet. It stops your feet from sliding to the front and you have toe hangover. But I want to talk to you guys. Would you try it? Let me know, yes or no. Drop your comments and your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button, and don't forget to share. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.